Lesson 44, Left-Bound Reports with Drills. Once they're open, go ahead and expand the menu. And the first thing is to apply margins in this document. So margins are in Layout under Margins, and there is one that's called Wide, which gives you a top and bottom and a left and right. So there's much more space on either side of the document. Then Narrow, it'll stretch it out. Same place, Layout, Margins, Narrow. Then you can actually customize the margins to exactly what you want. Same place, Layout, Margins, come down to Customize, and they want the top 1.5, I'm just pressing Tab, leave the bottom alone, left 1.5 and right 1.5, and OK. So you can customize the margins. Replace all the instances of the word speeches with presentations. So it's in Editing, Replace, type Speeches, press Tab, and you want it replaced with Presentations. Click Replace All. There are 6 of them. OK, and close. So we're going to search for the word objective, and it comes. We'll find it 5 times. So Editing, Find, Objective. And then it says there's 5 results, and this is the paragraphs that each of them are in. So if you click the down arrow, it tells you you're in the result of 1 of 5. So go down until you have 5 of 5, so it's the last one. Then go back to Editing and Replace. And instead of objective, you want just the last one replaced with goal. And choose not replace all, just replace. And it's going to ask you if you want it to start from the beginning, and you don't because you only want that one replaced, so no, and then close. And then close out of the navigation pane. So this time we're going to go to Editing and Find, but we're going to go to this down arrow here and choose Options. And we want to make sure that it finds whole words only. And then click OK. And the word we're looking for is confident. And it finds the word confident. And then you'll go back to Editing, Replace, and you want confident replaced with assured. And then click Replace. And again, you want to search throughout the rest of the document, no, and close. And also close out of the navigation. Use your Editing, Find, we're looking for Audience, and it finds, highlight the first occurrence, so click so that you're on the first occurrence, 1 of 6, and then put it in highlight. And then Editing, Find, and we're looking for the word discussion.